Hello, I'm Eugene Mosley with the Mosley Insurance Agency and Farmers Insurance. Quickly, wanted to touch base about a very important reason why life insurance is important early. And that is because when you really need life insurance the most, you may be aged out, meaning you may not be able to buy it because you may be too old. Now, in today's climate, it's not unusual that you could buy life insurance up to age 80, 85 even. But if you wait that long, of course, you're taking a chance on being insurable based on health factors. So the reason why life insurance is important early is because when you need it the most, the chances are that you may not be able to buy it, not because you don't have the money, but because health-wise, it may not be feasible. So what that means is you want to think about protecting your insurability. Right, protecting your insurability, meaning you may not need life insurance today. Chances are you won't. Most people live to age 65. A large percentage of people live to age 65. But if you're in your 30s or 40s, and you have a small family or a growing family, and you want to be sure that you have the proper amount of coverage in place when you need it the most, buying a term life policy. Term insurance is like renting an apartment. As long as you pay your rent, you've got somewhere to live. If you stop paying your rent, you got to find somewhere else to live. Term insurance is you pay your premium every month. The insurance company provides a death benefit for 15 years, 20 years, even 30 years. Now, the reason why you want to buy life insurance early and protect your insurability is because most policies, not all, and I say that not all because there are some term life policies that do not convert to whole life. In my opinion, whole life insurance is necessary. Everybody needs a small amount of whole life insurance, and you don't want to have to buy insurance when you need it the most. So what does that mean? You buy a term life policy while, say, your family is young. Let's say you've got school-age kids, 5th grade, 10th grade, high school even. You're going to need life insurance while those children are in their vulnerable state. In other words, if you were the key breadwinner, if you were not available to provide for their needs, how would that family make it? Okay, so term life insurance makes it where you can buy a whole lot of insurance for a little bit of money, and then when those children are emancipated or moved on or graduated from college and have a good job and they can take care of themselves, the need for that much life insurance may not be necessary. So let's say you've got a $250,000 life insurance policy, and your children are gone, you've got your mortgage paid off, you've got your car's paid off and enough money in the bank. Whole life insurance is available, but if you are not in a good health position and you can't purchase any more life insurance with that term life policy, here's the catch. If it has a conversion feature, you can convert that to a permanent policy without evidence of insurability or proof of insurability. So what are you saying, Eugene? You mean to tell me that you can buy life insurance when your health doesn't allow you to buy it? Absolutely right. If your policy, your term policy, has a conversion privilege. So if you're 55 or 60 years old and you need 15, 25, even $50,000 worth of life insurance for whatever reason, you simply take the term policy, sign your name, and it converts to a whole life policy. All companies don't work that way. I don't want to say all of them work that way, but I know that Farmers has a conversion privilege on their term policies where you sign that paper, you convert to a permanent policy, and as long as you pay that premium, that policy will be there. The good thing about whole life insurance is if you stop paying your premium, that policy still has value. And that's where you want to be. You don't want to be in a place where you need life insurance, you've got the money to buy life insurance, and for whatever reason, it doesn't have to be anything that makes you dying or sick or, on appearance as though, you're not healthy. No, there are some reasons why insurance companies will not insure you. And if that is the case, if you have a term life policy and you are in need of insurance and you know your health won't permit you to buy it, you convert the term policy to a permanent policy, or any portion of that term life policy to a permanent policy. And now you've got the final expense covered that you're going to need at some point in your future. I'm Eugene Mosley. I'm here to assist you. There are good reasons to sit down and review your life insurance coverage. If not every year, every other year. The industry says you should look at it every year because your life is constantly changing. So I just want you to know that I'm here to answer your questions. If you have any, my phone number, 251-649-9911. Give us a call. We're glad to answer questions. If you want to send us an email, my email address is emosley@farmersagent.com. That's EMOS as in Sam, ELEY at farmers, FARMERSAGENT.com. If you want to call us, 251-649-9911. Thank you so much. I'll be back. I want to make sure that you have the information you need. I want you to make informed decisions. And if I can help you in any way, please give me a call. Thank you so much.